today.
Well, today you succeeded. I see you've got the exhaust and asshole mode.
Yeah. It doesn't help with anything. Well, the throttle's a little bit more responsive. But you gotta please the customers.
Yeah.
You're gonna pop right into the car. Did I get any door damage? There's probably a big triangle shaped mark on the door.
You got a scuff.
Yeah. See, I did that on purpose. I wanted to hit the cone dead on so it wouldn't scratch.
Well, it might have. Because it starts down here and goes to about here.
Yeah, we were going a little bit forward. So we weren't totally sideways is what you're telling me.
Right.
Yeah, nice.
Try again.
Yeah, try again.